Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, chocolate unboxing. Let us start. Perk is crispy. Perk is light. I like Perk. This is KitKat. It's crunchy and very tasty chocolate. This is Dairy Milk Silk. It is soft. It is sweet. Very yummy. It is tea. It is suave. I like it. This is 5-star chocolate. This shop is sweet and tasty. My favorite chocolate, 5-star. This is Munch. Munch is crunchy. Very tasty. This is Fuse. Chocolate and nuts. Very strong taste. 7 and gems. This is a Milkybar. White chocolate. Very sweet. This is my favorite chocolate. Kinder Joy is delicious. This is Eclairs. Chocolate and toffee. Very tasty. Please like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.